The lab's mission is to address the global food security, climate change, and also developing plants resilience to pests and diseases. Essentially, we try to develop novel agricultural biotechnology tools through modern technologies of CRISPR gene editing.
Biofuels lab is a very well-equipped lab. We can do all of molecular biology research, tissue culture, genetic engineering, and also we have a NIH level 2 greenhouse associated.
The research started at Biofuels lab on biofuel crops, and we developed a very good patented technology where you can harvest the biomass, and the biomass can be processed into ethanol.
Right now, our primary focus is on tissue culture, zero THC production of hemp, because we want to develop hemp that doesn't contain THC. If we can do that, we help reduce the stigma around it and increase the uses for it.
Industrial hemp is a completely untapped source, and industrial hemp has a huge potential both from the perspective of fiber, from the perspective of feed, from the perspective of health.
We try to identify genes and proteins that are very important and vital for increasing a certain trait. Then we take that gene and re-engineer the plant and reteach the plant to produce more of it. Or if there is a molecule that is not preferred, we try to silence it, and we are using the most recent technology, which is CRISPR.
Modifying the plant to our needs, to our research goals.
Our main strength is the undergraduate students who participate in our research.
Typically, we select 15 to 20 students. These students spend 6 to 8 hours each week in the lab learning basics. By the time they reach to the second semester, they have their own independent projects in which they exhibit their excitement.
My role here as greenhouse manager is day-to-day maintenance of the greenhouse, making sure the greenhouse is healthy, pest-free, making sure our nutrient program is accurate and keeping the plants healthy.
They get an opportunity to make mistakes, learn from mistakes, go through the process of scientific methodology.
Well, as an undergrad, having these opportunities really sets you apart. When I started as a greenhouse manager as a freshman, what I believe that it's really changed my academic and my life path.
All of this excellent activity I credit to the undergrad students. It's their passion, it's their interest. This is very unique way where undergraduate students contribute to major discoveries.
We give our students research training, not just research exposure. They are able to publish along with us, and also they are able to share the success through a patent disclosure.
So the lab actually has produced over 600 students. Most of them have gone to grad schools, professional schools, and most of them are already practicing as physicians. And they are back in the community in Pennsylvania, serving the community here. So this is something very unique as well to the lab.
I take great pride in the work I get to do, and the fact that I'm able to take part in research like this and just put myself through college on that.
We give a lot of productivity, which is evident from our publications. Just in 2022, we have already published more than 7 papers.
This lab addresses the major challenges that we are faced in this country right now. There are 1 million children starving each day. We need to do something about it.